Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, Hidden Agendas. When NASA launched the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, in 2009, the mission was presented as a purely scientific endeavor designed to map the moon in unprecedented detail, identify potential landing sites for future missions, and analyze the lunar surface for signs of water ice. But beneath the surface of this noble narrative lies a far more sinister possibility: that the LRO's true purpose was to investigate and monitor something on the moon that the public was never meant to know about. What did the LRO really find? And why have certain images and data been quietly buried under layers of classified secrecy? The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, equipped with high-resolution cameras and cutting-edge instruments, was capable of capturing images of the moon's surface with unparalleled clarity. Its Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter camera, LROC, could resolve objects as small as 50 centimeters, allowing NASA to map the moon in extraordinary detail. But almost from the beginning, there were anomalies in the data that didn't quite add up. Strange geometric patterns, unexplained structures, and symmetrical formations were spotted in several images, but these findings were either dismissed as natural geological phenomena or quietly removed from public records. One of the most controversial discoveries attributed to the LRO involves mysterious structures in the moon's far side, areas that have remained hidden from Earth's view for billions of years. Researchers and independent analysts who combed through LRO data uncovered what appeared to be artificial-looking structures, complex geometric shapes, and what some described as massive dome-like constructs. These anomalies were striking in their regularity, suggesting that they were not the result of natural processes, but the remnants of an ancient civilization, or something even more enigmatic. Further fueling speculation was the sudden disappearance of certain high-resolution images from NASA's public archive. In several instances, images that had been available for public viewing were quietly removed or replaced with lower-resolution versions that obscured key details. This led to allegations that NASA, under pressure from higher authorities, was deliberately censoring evidence of artificial structures or alien activity on the moon. What was being hidden, and why was there such an urgency to suppress these findings? One particularly chilling theory suggests that the LRO was tasked with monitoring alien installations that had been detected by earlier missions. Whispers from within the intelligence community hint that the Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s encountered evidence of extraterrestrial activity on the moon, evidence that was carefully concealed from the public. Some believe that the LRO was launched not just to explore the moon, but to surveil and assess potential threats posed by these ancient outposts. If this theory is true, it means that the moon is not a barren wasteland, but a silent battleground where unknown forces may still reside. Adding to the mystery is the claim that the LRO was also tasked with monitoring UFO activity near the moon. Over the years, countless UFO sightings have been reported in lunar orbit and near the moon's surface, with astronauts from the Apollo missions even alluding to bogies following their spacecraft. The LRO's advanced instruments may have been deployed not just to map the moon, but to gather intelligence on these unexplained phenomena, a silent sentinel watching for any signs of extraterrestrial activity. Another unsettling aspect of the LRO's mission involves its investigation of the moon's south pole, a region of intense interest due to its shadowed craters, which may contain vast reserves of water ice. But some theorists argue that the South Pole's importance extends beyond water resources. They believe that this region may harbor evidence of ancient alien technology, artifacts buried beneath the lunar surface that could alter humanity's understanding of its place in the cosmos. Was the LRO searching for something that had been left behind by an advanced civilization? Perhaps the most provocative theory is that the LRO's true mission was not to prepare for future lunar exploration, but to assess the threat posed by what lies hidden on the moon. If an alien civilization had once established a presence on the moon, or if remnants of their technology remain active, the implications would be staggering. Such a discovery would challenge everything we know about history, evolution, and our place in the universe. To this day, the most sensitive data collected by the LRO remains classified, locked away from public scrutiny. Officially, NASA maintains that the mission was a resounding success, providing invaluable data for future lunar exploration. But for those who have examined the anomalies, inconsistencies, and the missing pieces in the LRO's story, the truth is far more complicated. As humanity prepares to return to the moon through the Artemis program, one question lingers in the minds of those who have dared to look beyond the official narrative. What did the LRO really find? And more importantly, is the moon as empty and lifeless as we've been led to believe? Or are we being kept in the dark about a truth so profound that it could change the course of human history? The answers may still be orbiting silently above us, locked away in the classified archives of the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter.